Here's how you can add a revision number to your 3D part. As you can see, our print axis has the Z pointed up, and we want it to print in that direction. So we always place our revision number on facing vertical while it prints. We'll go ahead and sketch on this face, and then I'm going to put some text here. And in this case, we have a property of the revision assigned, and I'm going to click link here, and I'll drop down to property name, click revision, hit OK. Now that says 1.4. I like to use the ISO bold because it prints nicely at 6 millimeters in height. Then we place it near the bottom so that you don't go too far into a print before you start to see the text. And you could notice if you're actually printing an outdated file. Now we do an extruded cut. I always make this 0.5 millimeters. It's sort of the least invasive depth that you can still see the value pretty clearly. And then you can go to File, Properties, and when you're ready you can adjust this revision, and it will automatically update the text. You may have to rebuild like that.